it sounds like before. Right at 103. All right, turn it up. So we'll let you guys hear it after we're done with 2000 Excursion lifted Ford. If you're listening, bring back the Excursion. People need it. People want it. Anyways, we took this massive converter off, and I'll show you guys what we replaced in its place. All technology compared to new technology. Look at that baby converter right there. Much better high flow converter in its place. Then we installed a Flowmaster Super 10, single in, dual out. Part number 8425152. Right there. There'll be a link in the description. 2 1/4 tailpipes on each side. One on this side. One on this side. And then finished it off nicely with 5-inch black chrome tips. Part number 255018. By Natami. There'll be a link in the description for them. They made them special for us. They should be carrying them in stores soon. Anyways, let me let you guys hear what it sounds like. Hope you guys like it. It had a single exhaust on it. We took it off and a single muffler right there. We took it off. You know what it's going to sound like. It's going to sound like a beast. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we got a fat one in here today. 2000 Ford Excursion 5.4 liter V8 beast. Look at this thing. It is ginormous. It's a 25-foot long lift, and it fits. It takes almost all of it. So, yeah, I love it. What we got done on it is something ginormous, too. Today's the word of the day is ginormous. Huge. True dual system, 2.5 all the way back. So it starts there and there. We cut it and ran 2.5. Then we put 2 high flow cats right there. Then 2.5 section again. Then X pipe, true flow X pipe, 2.5 in, 2.5 out. There'll be a link in the description for it. There'll be a link for the high flow cats. Then we put a massive Super 50 Flowmaster. Here's the part number on it, 2.5 in, 2.5 out, right there. And then 2.5-inch tailpipes out the back on each side, there and there, custom bent. Cleared the tank, cleared everything as you guys can see. And then we put some dual angle cut SS tips out the back, black. Part number NT1690 by our good friends at Natami. Look them up online or on Amazon. There'll be a link in the description for these tips too. There they are. Check it out. Came out really clean. You won't see another Excursion like this one with this style of tips and everything. Just really nice, really clean system on each side, as you guys can see there. So we gave it the Exhaust Addicts touch. We really appreciate him bringing it out to us and letting us hook him up. Now it sounds like a truck. This is idle on it, guys. About 81. Give it gas. Like it? Thumbs up? Much better. Much better. Yeah, that's good. It sounds really nice. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 110. Perfect. Again. You can tell it's breathing better. Yeah. Go ahead and back it out.
Get him while you back the shop.
Yeah. So it's only running on 7 cylinders, misfiring. Still sounds good. Imagine when it runs real good. Oh, it'd be crazy. How much I gotta back up because it's such a big car. Because of the misfire, it sounds like it has a cam. A baby cam. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. You guys ready to hear it? That sounds good. That sounds really nice. Sound decibels? 103. Good looking car too. This sounds so mean. Wow. I love it. Super 50 sounds really nice on this. Let you guys hear on the inside. Here we go, guys. High Flow Cat, Flowmaster Super 10 Dual System. Wow, that sounds phenomenal. Enjoy, guys. Enjoy it, guys. As much as we enjoyed working on it, hopefully you'll enjoy it. Traffic. Beautiful, be smooth. Enjoy, guys.